Good morning students. In this session we'll see solution for the system of linear equations using different methods. In that our first method is comparison method. I will explain this method with example. See, question is like this. Solve x plus 2y equal to 7 and 2x minus y equal to 4 using comparison method. In the examination they will going to mention the method. In that method only you need to solve. Okay, here see comparison method is there. So first consider the equation x plus 2y equal to 7. Now express this equation in terms of x or in terms of y only. It is easy to express this equation in terms of x. You can write it as this implies keeping x in the LHS, it's equal to take 2y to the RHS. So you will get 7 minus 2y. While shifting plus 2y to RHS, it will become minus 2y. Okay, take it as equation 1. Now see, consider the second equation. Second equation is 2x minus y equal to 4. Okay, since here you expressed equation in terms of x, here also you need to express this equation in terms of x only. First step, see, 2x equal to taking y to RHS, that will become 4 plus y. X equal to take 2 to RHS, that will become 4 plus y whole term divided by 2. Take it as equation 2. Okay, from 1 and 2. Okay, what is the LHS of equation 1? X. What is the LHS of the equation 2? X. X is always equal, right? So from equation 1 and 2 you can write 7 minus 2y equal to 4 plus y divided by 2. Okay, now you need to solve this one. To solve this, see here 2 is there, right? Cross multiply, taking 2 to LHS, you will get 2 into 7 minus 2y is equal to 4 plus y. Okay, in the next step again simplify this one. We know, right, how to simplify this one. 2 into 7 is 14 minus 2 into 2y is 4y equal to 4 plus y. Okay, next to see, simplify again 14 minus 4, taking this 4 to LHS. So 14 minus 4 equal to already y in RHS. Take this 4y to RHS, that will become plus 4y. Okay, 14 minus 4, 10 is equal to 5 times y. Okay, this implies y is equal to 5 ones are 5 twos are. So y value is equal to 2. Now see, we have y value. To calculate x value, substitute y value in any one of the equation. Substituting y equal to 2 in equation 1. What you will get? X equal to 7 minus 2y, that is 2 into 2. Right? 2 in place of y I am substituting 2. So x equal to 7 minus 2 into 2 equal to 4. X value is equal to 7 minus 4. Its value equal to 3. Therefore x equal to 3 and y value equal to 2. Okay, this is how to solve a problem using comparison method. Here no need to express the equation in terms of x only. You can represent in terms of y, then you can compare, you will get the same answer. See the next example. Solve this by comparison method. In the examination they will give, okay, solve by this method. If method is not mentioned, means you can solve that equations using any one of the method. Okay, first I will consider the equation x plus 2y equal to 4. Okay, here also expressing this equation in terms of x, or I'll express it in terms of y. So 2y equal to 4, take x to RHS, that will become minus x. Then y is equal to 4 minus x already in RHS. 2, taking 2 to RHS, that will become by 2. Okay, take it as equation 1. Next is 3x plus y equal to 7. This implies what is y? Y equal to 7 minus 3x. Take it as equation 2. Now observe, equation 1 and equation 2 are in terms of y only. Then you can compare, right? So from equation 1 and the equation 2, y is always equal to y. Here see, LHS is y, here also LHS is y. So compare 4 minus x by 2 equal to 7 minus 3x. In the next step, take 2 to RHS. So 4 minus x equal to 2 into 7 minus 3x. Okay, 4 minus x equal to 2 into 7 is 14 minus 2 3s are, it's equal to 6x. Now simplify according to the question. Here see, minus 6x is there. Take minus 6x to RHS. Take minus 6x to LHS, that will become plus 6x minus x equal to 14. Take this plus 4 to RHS, that will become minus 4. Okay, again here we'll get, see, 5x, right? 5x is equal to 14 minus 4 is 10. Then x value, what you will get? X value equal to 2. Okay, now calculate y value. Substitute in any one equation. Substituting x equal to 2 in equation 2. Okay, what you will get? Y is equal to 7 minus 3 into x value is 2. Y value is equal to 7 minus 3 2s are 6. So y value is equal to 1. Okay, this is how to solve a linear equations, that means system of linear equations using comparison method. Clear? Next is method of substitution. Okay, here see the question. Solve x plus 2y equal to 1 and 3x minus 2y equal to 5. Okay, I will explain this method with this example. First I will consider the equation x plus 2y equal to 1. Here two equations are there, right? Write any one equation in terms of x or y. Okay, so here I will take this as equation 1 and consider the second equation 3x minus 2y equal to 5 is there, right? Okay, take it as equation 2. Here see, I am going to rewrite the equation 1 from 1. X value is equal to what you will get? 1 minus 2y. Okay, here we will get x equal to 1 minus 2y. Substituting x value in equation 2. Okay, substitute x value in equation 2. So 3 into what is x? 1 minus 2y. A minus what is there? 2y is there. Clear what I am doing? I am writing equation 1 in terms of x. Then I am substituting that value in equation 2. So 3 into x is there. What is x? 1 minus 2y. Minus 2y comes from the question, right? Minus 2y equal to 5. Simplify this one. 3 minus 3 into 2y. 3 into 2y equal to 6y. Minus 2y equal to 5. So 3 minus 8y is equal to 5. Again we need to simplify this one. So 3 minus 5, taking plus 5 to LHS, that will become minus 5 equal to, take minus 8y to RHS, that will become plus 8y. Okay, now see, 3 minus 5 is equal to 8y. Okay, 3 minus 5 we know it's equal to minus 2. Minus 2 equal to 8y. Okay, then you need to simplify this one. Y is equal to minus 2 by 8. Y value equal to minus 1 by 4. Minus 2 ones are minus 2 4s. Okay, so y value equal to minus 1 by 4. Then what you have to calculate? Then you need to calculate x value. So substitute x value. Substituting y equal to minus 1 by 4 in equation star. Okay, take this as equation star. Okay, x equal to 1 minus 2 into y value is minus 1 by 4. Okay, x equal to 1 minus into this minus. Okay, minus into minus, that's equal to plus. Okay, 2 into 1 by 4 is 2 ones are 2 twos are, you will get 1 by 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So simplify this one. X value equal to, take 2 as LCM, so cross multiply, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 by 2, its value equal to 3 by 2. So x value equal to 3 by 2 and y value equal to minus 1 by 4. See the next example. X plus 2y equal to 4 and 3x plus y equal to 7 by substitution method. Okay, so first consider the equation x plus 2y equal to 4, take it as equation 1, and the second equation 3x plus y equal to 7, take it as equation 2. Now I am writing equation 1 as x equal to 4 minus 2y just by shifting 2y to RHS. And see, now we have x value equal to 4 minus 2y, substituting x value in equation 2. So 3 into what is x? 4 minus 2y is equal to, and plus here y is there, right? 3 into x plus y, so plus y equal to 7 is there. Now simplify this one. 3 4s are 12 minus 3 2s are 6y plus y equal to 7, and 12 minus 6y plus y, it's equal to minus 5y equal to 7. 12 minus 7, taking plus 7 to LHS, equal to shifting minus 5y to RHS, that's equal to plus 5y. 12 minus 7 is 5 is equal to 5y, then y value equal to 5 by 5, it's equal to 1. Now see, we have y value, substituting y equal to 1 in equation star. Okay, take it as equation star. So you will get x equal to 4 minus 2 into y value is 1. X value equal to 4 minus 2, that is x value is equal to 2. Okay, this is how to solve linear equations using substitution method. Next is elimination method. It's a very common method using for solving system of linear equations. Okay, consider the equation 2x minus 3y equal to 19, and the another equation 3x plus 2y equal to 9. Okay, to solve this equation, see, elimination method means you need to eliminate x or y. Okay, if you eliminate x, then it will give y value, or if you eliminate y, then you will get x value. Okay, so but here see, eliminating means you can do subtraction or you can add the numbers, but here see, different numbers are there, right? You can't cancel any numbers. So to cancel these numbers, first I'm doing multiplying equation 1 by 2 and multiplying equation 2 by 3. That time see, 2 into 2 is 4x minus 3 2s are 6y equal to 38, and 3 3s are 9x plus 6y equal to 9 3s are 27. Now see, I'm doing addition, because if you add this equation, minus 6y and plus 6y get cancels, right? So plus 9x plus 4x, it's equal to 13x. Okay, now see, minus 6y and plus 6y get cancels, is equal to then 38 plus 27. Okay, add that two number, you will get 65. X is equal to 65 divided by 13, and x value is equal to 5. So x value equal to 5 is there. Now to calculate y value, substitute x value in any one of the equation. Suppose I am considering the first equation, see, 2x minus 3y equal to 19 is there, then 2 into x value is 5 minus 3y equal to 19, 10 minus 3y equal to 19, then 10 minus 19, okay, it's equal to 3y, then minus 9 equal to 3y, 3 ones are 3 minus 3s are, so y value equal to minus 3. Okay, this is how to solve a linear equation by using elimination method. See the next example. X plus 2y equal to 7 and 2x minus y equal to 4. Again use elimination method. Consider the first equation, x plus 2y equal to 7. Take it as equation 1. Second equation is 2x minus y equal to 4. Take it as equation number 2. Okay. In the next step, see, here x, here 2x is there, here 2y, here y is there. You can't cancel directly. To solve this one, see, what I am doing is multiplying 2 to second equation. That time, see what you will get. First equation remains same, x plus 2y equal to 7. What about the second equation? 2 into 2x is 4x, minus y into 2 is minus 2y, 4 2s are, it's equal to 8. So then I'm adding. Why adding? Because plus minus is there, right? You can cancel directly. 4x plus x is 5x equal to 8 plus 7, it's equal to 15. X value is equal to 15 divided by 5, x value equal to 3 is there. Now substitute in any one of the equation. We have x plus 2y equal to 7. You can substitute in this equation also, you will get the same answer, but it's easy to substitute in the given question. So consider x plus 2y equal to 7, 3 plus 2y equal to 7, 2y equal to 7. Take this 3 to RHS, minus 3. Okay, 2y equal to 4, y value equal to 4 by 2, it's equal to 2. Therefore x value equal to 3 and y value is equal to 2. This is how to solve a linear equations by using. This is all about how to solve a system of linear equations using elimination method. Next is method of cross multiplication. Suppose consider the linear equation in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay. To find solution for this system of linear equation using cross multiplication, you need to write this as, first start with b1, write c1, then a1, then again starting point b1. Then start with b2, c2, a2, then again the last point b2 you need to write. Okay. Now see, you need to write it as x divided by cross multiply in this direction. b1 into c2, in the middle minus, then in this direction. Okay, that is b2 into c1 equal to y divided by cross multiply in this direction, c1 into a2 minus this direction, c2 into a1 equal, last very important, 1 divided by, okay, cross multiply a1 into b2 and in this direction, okay, minus a2 into b1. Remember, the denominator middle minus is there, that is by the formula. Okay, if you apply, then compare first one with the last one, second one with the last one, that will gives x value and y value. Okay, we'll see that in problem solving. Okay, suppose the equation is x plus y equal to 2 and x minus 3 y equal to minus 4 is there. To do cross multiplication method, here see, it is not in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. To apply cross multiplication form, first you need to convert given question in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. How to write this one? X plus y, take 2 to LHS, minus 2 equal to 0. And how to write this one? X minus 3y, minus 4y is there, take minus 4 to LHS, that will become plus 4 equal to 0. Then you can apply that method. Clear? whenever this form is not given, to apply cross multiplication method, first you need to convert given question into this form, then you can apply this formula. Okay, see the first question. X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 3x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, write the first equation. X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, and the second equation 3x plus y minus 7 equal to 0 is there. Okay, then here see, start with b2, right? b1 and b2 you need to write first. So first 2, then minus 4, then with respect to x 1, then again 2 you need to write. Then starting with here, right, with respect to y 1, then minus 7, then 3, then what you have to write? Same 1. Okay, now write x divided by, first in this direction, 2 into minus 7 minus 14, and in this direction minus y minus, because this is by the formula 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. Okay, then put equal sign, y divided by, multiply in this direction first, minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 minus this minus by the formula, then in this direction minus 1 into 7, it's equal to minus 7. Okay, equal to 1 by 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, and in this direction 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Okay, then see, x divided by minus 14 plus 4, minus into minus plus 4, right, it's equal to minus 10, equal to y divided by minus 12 plus 7, minus into minus plus 7, it's equal to minus 5, equal to 1 by 1 minus 6 is minus 5. First compare x values with last term, then y with the last term. So x by minus 10 equal to 1 divided by minus 5, minus 5x equal to minus 10, cross multiply. Okay, or you can do directly, then x value equal to minus 10 by minus 5. This implies x value equal to minus minus get cancels, 5 1s are 5 2s are, minus by minus, that is plus, right? So x value equal to plus 2. Then similarly y by minus 5 is equal to 1 by minus 5, then minus 5y equal to minus 5, right, cross multiply. Then y is equal to minus 5 by minus 5, a by a, b by b, that's value is equal to 1 itself, right? So y value equal to 1. See the next question, 4x minus y equal to 2 and minus 3x plus 2y equal to 1 using cross multiplication. Okay, so our observation is, given question is not in the form a1x plus b1y plus c form. Okay, so I am writing it as 4x minus y taking 2 to LHS, so that will become minus 2 equal to 0. Second equation minus 3x plus 2y, okay, take 1 to LHS, that will become minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now see what you have to do is, starting with second term, right, minus 1 minus 2 4 minus 1, then from here, right, 2 minus 1 minus 3 again 2. Okay, next x divided by, first in this direction, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, minus, this is by the formula, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Okay, in this direction. Then first in this direction, y divided by minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6, minus 1 into 4, okay, minus 1 into 4 is minus 4, equal to 1 divided by, see first in this direction, 4 into 2 is 8 minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Okay, now simplify this one, x by 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 4 is 5 is equal to y divided by 6 minus into minus plus 4, 10, right, 6 plus 4 is 10, equal to 1 by 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Now compare x by 5, equal to 1 by 5, first with last one, second with last one. So then 5 get cancels, what will get? X value equal to 1. Second one, compare y by 10 equal to 1 by 5, 5 1 is a 5 2 is a. Okay, so what you will get? Y by 2 equal to 1. This implies y equal to cross multiply, y value is equal to 2. Okay, this is how to solve a linear equations using cross multiplication method. Okay, in our next session we will see more problems related to these methods. Thank you, students.